This is Makeup Master, Cailyn Blender. The Makeup Master for all your beauty applicator needs. A unique 7-piece of detachable non-latex sponges effortlessly blend makeup on the skin. Simply grab a sponge, use wet or dry, and blend like a pro. Designed with a smooth surface and edges to reach every contour of the face. Latex-free, fingers-free, reusable, non-disposable. Can be used wet or dry to create a flawless application and allows makeup to adhere to the skin without excess makeup lines or streaks left behind. This is Makeup Master, Cailyn Blender.